Here I've got Xiaomi 11T, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select digital wellbeing and parental controls, and now go to show your data. And right in front of you, you can check the time spent on your device, and it's grouped into categories. So if you'll click here again, you'll be able to check the details. So for example, settings been used for 7 minutes, while Google for less than 1 minute. But as you can see, if you'll go back here, you've got the groups in which you can check it. Also, you can check the unlock and notification number. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.